Hey guys, welcome to Amazing Jupiter Pond again. In this video, we're going to show you the top 7 marvelous delivery bots. Before we start, please make sure you click on the subscribe button, as well the tiny bell icon. Introducing Starship Robot, a 6-wheeled ground drone from Starship Technologies. It's equipped with sensor suite that includes cameras, GPS inertial measurement unit, ultrasonic sensors and radar. The robots have speakers, so they can communicate with humans they meet. It's offering on-demand package delivery for consumers and businesses within 6 kilometers radius. Rather than spending time in waiting for food and coffee, the robot can help. How it works? Simple. Open the app and select the options you want. Drop the pen on the map. The pen represents where you're going to meet the robot. The robot will travel from the nearest staging area to the kitchen itself. The kitchen will place the meal in the robot, and it will dispatch to the customer. It has large compartment to hold deliveries, equivalent to the size of 2 grocery bags with maximum weight of 10 kilograms. The customer will receive a notification that the robot has arrived the meeting point. Once the robot has arrived to the customer, the compartment is opened using unique code generated after placing the order from the smartphone app. Starship, ready to serve you anytime, anywhere. This is Kiwi, an autonomous delivery robot, which picks up and delivers food or personal items within roughly 1.6 kilometers area. An intelligent wheel system is designed to set SameDay Bot apart for traversing various kinds of terrain. The robot has 6 Ultra HD cameras capable of 250 degrees of vision for object detection. Besides, it also uses deep neural network to classify events such as street crossing, wall crashes, falls, sidewalk driving and other common situations to improve navigation. Here is how it works. A customer places an order on the Kiwi app. A carrier picks up the order and passes to one of the bot at the designated point. Also, the carrier can passes the order to one of the semi-autonomous Kiwi trike, which can carry 4 Kiwi box holding up to 20 meals. Once arrived, the app will push notify the customer. Only the customer can open the bot using the app. During the critical pandemic situation, Kiwi Campus is delivering mask, hand sanitizer and other health supplies, to help the spread of COVID-19. This service is currently available for students in Denver and Berkeley. Kiwi Bot also continue to deliver food, as many communities begin to quarantine, so that students can stay safe. Grocery shopping today is a pain. Long trip to the store, waiting in line, paying extra for deliveries. Introducing Robo Mart, the world's first driverless grocery store. With Robo Mart, no more waiting in line, no more relying someone to pick up your groceries for you. When customer wants to buy some groceries, they simply tap the button to request the nearest Robo Mart. When it arrives, they get to shop, check out free, right at their doorstep. For decades, consumers had the convenience of their local greengrocer and milkman coming door to door, and by leveraging driverless technology, Robo Mart recreates that level of convenience and accessibility through its all-electric, temperature-controlled stores on wheels. The e-commerce giant, Amazon, also sparked a race to bring robots to our doors. Introducing Amazon Scout, a 6-wheeled delivery machine is designed to safely get packages to customers. Scout walks at a human pace, and appears large enough to accommodate small and medium-sized parcels. No word yet what's under the hood, but the standard sensor package in autonomous mobile robots includes GPS, several cameras or stereo cameras, inertial measuring devices, and occasionally LiDAR. Since startups do it, Amazon does it. And why not for the biggest player of delivery service? Check out the SameDay Bot by FedEx. The SameDay Bot is battery-powered, has a top speed of 10 miles per hour, and is autonomous. This bot does have some features that makes it stand out from the crowd though. It was developed with the help of engineer Dean Kamen, who previously created the Segway and stair climbing upright wheelchair I bought. And you can see the legacy of Kamen's work in FedEx's robot, which uses multiple pairs of wheels to climb up steps and curbs. It's allowing the delivery of cold and hot items like groceries and food, going the extra miles to make the delivery more convenient. A screen on the front says hello while a screen on the back indicates its direction of travel. It reduces accidents and misunderstandings between human and machine. Postmates and Phantom Auto have partnered to deploy an autonomous delivery robot fleet, Serve. This electricity-powered autonomous delivery robot can carry 50 pounds and travel 30 miles on a single battery charge. An intelligent wheel system is designed to set SameDay Bot apart for traversing various kinds of terrain. Postmates using the Phantom software to remotely monitor their fleet from thousands of miles away. One pilot can monitor multiple robots, and remotely guide and operate any robot that needs help. Having trouble with this rover? The pilot can interact with pedestrians and customers when needed. Collaboration between Postmates and Phantom software provides a safe, on-time delivery with a warm human touch. Now, the automaker, Ford, is announcing its fleet of autonomous delivery vans will carry more than just packages. Riding along with the boxes in the back, there will be a two-legged robot, Digit. Our modern lives are busier than ever, and sometimes, it can be tricky to find the opportunity to go out and visit the shops. Thanks to the convenience of online shopping, with a single tap, we can get the food, the groceries or anything we need. But, if an autonomous delivery vehicle arrives at your house, without any human aboard, who's going to carry the package, grocery bags or pipping hot pizza to your doorstep? Ford is introducing Digit, an agility robotics humanoid. Next time you shop online, this skinny robot may show up with your package. Digit is bundled into the back of Ford's self-driving car. When the car reaches its destination, the trunk pops open, and Digit unfolds itself in a manner unnervingly. The robot can then pick up the parcel and drop it on your doorstep. No humans required. Built out of lightweight material and capable of lifting packages that weigh up to 40 pounds, Digit can go up and down stairs, walk naturally through uneven terrain, and even react to things like being bumped without losing its balance and falling over. A glimpse of a future